Hello, my name is Robert Patrick. I'm the master gardener and owner here at Indian Creek Farms, and today we're going to talk about how to keep ants out of your planters, your potted plants, or just any kind of a planter that you might have up next to the house. And this is a preventative method, and it can rid you of the ants as well. And we're talking about a natural method. Here at Indian Creek Farms, we don't try to use any kind of chemical substances, so we go for the all-natural methods, and we're talking about diatomaceous earth. The preventative to stop it from happening, from getting ants in it, is that you're going to want to sprinkle and mix the diatomaceous earth in with the soil whenever you're building your planters. Now, if you've got potted plants outside that ants have moved into, you can use it as a killer as well. So you'll want to, disturb the soil a little bit and start sprinkling the diatomaceous earth over the top and around the planter. The diatomaceous earth is not a bait or a chemical. It doesn't kill the ants by ingestion. It's like little tiny razor blades. That's the best method that I know of that's chemical-free and uses all natural substance to rid yourself of your ants.